This video is an introduction to RobotC's RVW program, which allows students to create their own virtual worlds for robots to navigate. So hopefully you're familiar with RobotC virtual worlds, which are pre-created worlds and missions where robots can complete tasks using sensors and so forth. So those are made by the folks at RobotC. RVW allows students to make their own virtual worlds. So here's how you do it. It's up under Window, and you say Open RVW Level Builder Utility. This is what it looks like. You have two options, build or play. Build is when you make your own world. Eventually, after you've created a world, you can then play, which is you create programs and have robots actually navigate your field. So let's take a look at build. This is what it looks like. You have your starting point, and then you have a set of other options that you can add. So let's look under File. As of eventually we're going to save this. So look at Edit. Really nothing. This is just going to be undo or redo. Play would be once. This is the same as the play in the opening window. Once the level is built, you can actually bring a robot in and have it drive around here. So it's pretty simple. If we go to Custom, let's say chairs, and then grab this thing, bring it in here. Let's look at blocks. And by the way, I could choose curriculum, so let's do a custom block though. You can see that it's a really small thing there. Okay, but whatever. Let's delete that. Let's look at curriculum. There's more stuff here. Cubes. You'll find that some cubes are bigger, some are smaller. Let's check out this one. A lot bigger. Let's look at cylinders. Not too big. Let's look at this one. Interestingly, the one that looked smaller was actually thicker. And again, you kind of have to play around with these spheres. Let's bring in a soccer ball. Kind of neat. Walls. These are barriers. So sometimes there's a 2-foot wall. Put this up. Oh, see, it didn't allow it because I touched the other wall. So notice we can rotate. I didn't like that because it's too close to that other thing. Let's put it down here. Rotate it. Now let's bring it up here. And I think I can duplicate it. And put another one there. And let's put another wall. And if you've done the RobotC virtual worlds before, you can see that I kind of made an interior wall, and I might want to start here and drive around with my robot. But whatever. Let's say once we have the stuff in there that we want, we would say save as, and it's sort of that old DOS looking thing. This right now is saving it into my documents, RV level builder, and then levels. And let's call this test 1. And let's create a folder. Let's not do that. File, save as, test1, save. Let's try playing it. You get to pick from your robots. Let's try our Lego Rembot. And then I can say start level. And whatever program I have downloaded into the robot is going to run. And it looks a lot like your regular virtual worlds. But this one, I put the stuff in there. See if anything happens with this program. Walls are probably not going to move, but we might have seen that if I had run into some of these other objects, especially small objects, the robot probably can push them around. A little bit, let's go back to build mode. This is it. This is RVW. You make your own world. You choose build. You then can bring stuff in from either curriculum or custom. Import object and import tile. You can actually make things in your own 3D design if you know how to with SolidWorks or AutoCAD, or we use Onshape. You can make that stuff, then you can import it and have that be placed here. There's some glitches in this, but if you like this kind of ability to architect things, then could be pretty cool for somebody. So good luck.